Hey guys, how are you doing? I hope you're doing fine. If you're new here, my name is Noel. Thank you so much. If you're my new subscriber, you're welcome back, and thank you so much for subscribing into this channel. And for my returning subscribers, thank you so much for always supporting me. So today's video, guys, is one of the videos. If you know me, it's my off day. I'm gonna bring you something. So today I wanna prepare chicken and potatoes. So basically I'm gonna do the fried. Actually, it's me and my friend is doing the most, right? I'm just there like a spectator iron and helping out. I'm a handy, okay? So you're gonna see the process, but what I captured, of course. And it's it's fried Irish potatoes, and also the marinated chicken. And yeah, that's what we are gonna prepare. So if you haven't subscribed to my channel and you're watching, thank you so much. Make sure you subscribe also to support your girl, and for more content. Let's hit 700 subscribers, okay? So without further ado, let's get into the video. Et voila, we have started cooking. And of course I did not show my friend's face because I wanted to respect his wish. You know, there are some people who don't like being seen on cameras, and I respect their wishes, so he is one of them. But then we were having very hot stories, and I enjoyed every bit of cooking with him. So as you can see here, we are just chopping the chicken into pieces so that we can marinate. And you can see the spices we have already prepared here for marinating the chicken. So enjoy the video as I take you through. And for these Irish potatoes, I bet I was the one who made it. So as you can see, what's going on here, my friend decided to boil the chicken first, and you can see here, fast forward, the chicken is already boiled, very well boiled, and now he is in the process of marinating it bit by bit, very carefully and very demure. Okay, check it out.
At 29 and I find myself wondering what did happen to the last 10. I ran away with my life, fast forward, never turn back again. It's kind of funny that the more we pass time, the more we need to set them rewind. And 19 was the year I had to leave you, but now I'm seeing all the signs. Is this really just as surprised as you. Is this really happening? I can't be too sure, but one day I'll be yours again. Life lessons come one in a dozen. The other 11 give something from nothing. I sit here looking for an answer. Maybe the biggest question was in the last chapter. You gave me the soul I have today. Without you I never could have moved away. But now I see what you teach. I do believe I always should have stayed. Yeah. Is this really happening? I can't believe it's true. I'm just as surprised as you. Is this really happening? I can't be too sure, but one day I'll be yours again. One day I'll be One day I'll be yours. I'll be yours. Life lessons come one in a dozen. The other 11 give something from nothing. Life lessons come one in a dozen. The other 11 give something from nothing. Life lessons come one in a dozen. The other 11 give something from nothing. Life changes, just open the door. One thing's certain, I'll always be yours. Is this really happening? I can't believe it's true. I'm just as surprised as you.
And at this juncture, he started frying the chicken, as you can see. And oh my bad, I forgot. I had already served you guys with the juice, the cocoa pine juice, and I did not inform you. My bad, I'm so sorry. Welcome to the table. There is juice there, right there, while you're in the kitchen, because I know it's gonna take time for this meal to be ready, but trust the process. It's gonna take long, but the end results, trust you me, it will be a scrumptious meal. So stay put. Let's continue enjoying the cooking process.
I feel nauseous, believe me. Never had a lot of shit come easy. Had to work hard, struggle just to be me. Had to rise up just so they could see me. Did what I had to do just to feed me. And what was left over I put towards my dreaming. But the only thing in life that has meaning are the things you gotta work for, believe me. Take into your hands a plan. Your own hands can land your own brand. And damn, I feel like no one takes accountability. They want the credibility, convincingly unwilling to put in the hours it takes to get some power. Don't be f***ing sour. Take a cold shower. Scream until you're louder. Work until you're prouder. And f*** all the doubters. They're just your downers.
Now, without forgetting, let me let you know that he's trying to prepare this chicken. It is a full chicken, but he's preparing it in two different ways. So this is the first way, and the second way is coming. Okay, so stay put. Let's get to enjoy the whole process. As you can see, he's frying onions and later put tomatoes, and then he'll add the chicken, and then yeah, we'll be good to go. So enjoy it. I'm loving the process. I'm loving every bit of process. I loving it. And the aroma is, I don't know, it's just spread all over the house, and my house smells like heaven. I kid you not, my guys.
Everybody wants to be king, yeah, they all wanna ring, yeah, we all wanna be free. So show me what you got, what you bring, how you fight in the ring, how you take a fucking swing. Do you got heart, are you mean, got some scars, got some needs, are you willing to go bleed? I swear to God they all let me down. I always fought just to wear the crown. I'm f***ed off at these fucking clowns who were all taught they deserve an ounce. It's only worth it if you work for it. It's only worth it if you work for it. I won't stop till they hear me now. I won't stop till I wear the crown. I swear to God they all let me down.
my god. Oh my god. I'm loving the aromatic smell in my house. Oh my god. This whole process is something else. This whole cooking is on another level. Bravo. Bravo to you, my brother. Bravo. Bravo, 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 bravo. As fast or as quick as he is, you can see we are on the second phase. Now that's the second way of preparing chicken, deep fried chicken, and it's well marinated and left a little bit so that the spices can penetrate into the chicken and make everything so delicious. So now I'm helping out. As you can see, I'm helping out. Yeah, umoja ni nguvu. Utengano ni udhaifu. That's a quite teamwork there, as you can see. And wow, see that chicken, man. See that chicken. Isn't it something in it? Oh my god, let me not talk too much. Just enjoy every bit of this process, and make sure in your house, make sure you prepare something like this. Just follow the procedure. It's not complicated, and you will be able to enjoy this meal. Okay? Parfait. Hayawi huwa. Now we are on the last process of making the fried potatoes, the deep fried potatoes, and these potatoes he marinated with spices as well. And yeah, now he's deep frying. Just stay there, just stay seated, continue enjoying your cocoa pine juice so that you can see the end greatness of these Irish potatoes. Okay? Yeah. And guys, je suis désolée. We prepared the meal, but I forgot to serve with you. Bad manners. Where did I get these morals? I'm sorry, pardon me guys. Next time, I'm gonna do better. Yeah, but trust to me, the meal was delicious, scrumptious, name it. It was heaven-made food. trust you me when I say like that. So we had it with juice, served with juice, and everything went just perfect. I loved it. So thank you so much, my friend. Thank you for coming and making some delicious meal for us. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Adios, muchachos. Alright guys, thank you for tuning in and clicking in up to the end. Thank you so very much for watching the entire video. I hope you liked it, and if you did, or if you have, please make sure comment down on the comment section, or comment down on the comment box. Let me know what you think about today's cooking, and if you liked it. If you did, or if you do, please make sure you join me. There's still plenty. Okay, so if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please make sure you subscribe. Hit the subscribe button, like, comment, and share to your family and friends. And let me see you on my next video. What do we say? Ciao ciao, au revoir.